it's time to make a model out of the drawing T1.01.009. And this is pretty straightforward. And I wish you the best of luck, and if you enjoy these films, please do spread them along. It's time to make another drawing, T1.01.009. I will start off with a sketch. And we can start on the top plane. And I will make a center rectangle in order to keep Origo in the middle of the part. And we'll start with this dimension, we will call it 12. That means we are looking at the leftmost picture, the leftmost view in the drawing. And this dimension should be 80. Great. Then we'll go ahead into features, extrude the boss base, and once again we'll use mid-plane. And this time the depth should be 15. Great. And we'll head into hole wizard once again. We'll pick positions. We'll click on the face. 1, 2 of them. And once again we will draw a symmetric line here. We're going to pick this as a construction line, and we could choose this point, and finally the line itself, and choose symmetric. Great. And we could also pick this one and this one and make them vertical to each other. And there we go. And the distance between both of them should be 60 millimeters. And there we go, everything is defined. Now we simply have to pick which kind of hole it should be. So we'll head into type. We're going to have a normal hole, not a double hole. We're going to have a drill size. And we're going to pick 5.5 millimeters. And the end condition should be through all. Great. And now we make the threads as well. We'll once again head into hole wizard. Pick this one, and we'll make 1, 2, and 3 of them. We'll make a line heading outwards, a vertical, and it should be for construction. And once again, these two could be symmetric around this line, and this one should be horizontal. And the distance between two of them should be, we could just calculate it, 40 minus 22.5, 17.5. Great. And then we'll head back into type, and we're going to pick tapped hole, and this time it should be an M6. And the end condition should be through all, since it goes through the entire thing. With a call out, that's great. Well, that's good, isn't it? And now we have to pick a material for it. We'll right click on materials, edit material. We'll head into Dean materials. And this should be an unalloyed steel. It should be C35. We'll apply this one. It's done. And then we'll head into File, Properties. We'll pick the description, and we're going to call it anslutningsdel. And the finish should be Lackeras RAL 2002. It's going to be lacquered in this RAL color. And we'll connect the material to the material part in SolidWorks. There we go. And the weight should be connected to mass. And a space in between, and G for grams. That's it. Don't forget to save the part. Goodbye.